Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you what you are gonna be adding to your turmeric to give you that plump, younger, healthy and more glowing skin. Okay, so if you've actually experienced any wrinkles or you are not even seeing it yet, but you know that wrinkles comes not only because of age, it equally comes because of stress. So why not try this out, because I'm sure it's going to help you to stop it from even appearing on your face. That's why you see me apply it. Yeah, so if you want to know what the ingredient is, stay put. Let's dive into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. So I have here my turmeric, and you have to get a very good turmeric. Okay, you do not need those kind of turmeric that is already extracted and what they give you is just a chaff. You need a very good and organic turmeric. In fact, if you can't find one, you can even use the raw and fresh turmeric, which is very good. I would recommend you use that particular one. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be taking just a little of my turmeric powder. Okay, so I have at least half of a tablespoon of my turmeric powder. And then also I'm gonna be needing to use banana. Now banana is one great remedy for the skin. Trust me guys, if you've not actually been using banana for your skin, try to do that though, because your skin is going to be looking sumptuously beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be peeling the banana obviously and cutting it, because I would have to be blending, grating or pounding. So I would prefer to blend, since I have my small blender here. Right up and blend. Okay, so this is it and it's ready, and I'll be putting that into the turmeric powder. So now we would have to give this a stir. Mix it really good. Okay, so after mixing that, we're equally going to be making use of this, and this is baking soda, not baking powder guys, baking soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating agent to the skin that helps to even out and scrub out dead skin cells from your skin. It therefore leaves your skin super young, super soft guys. I've actually been using this a whole lot, so do not use baking powder guys, because I know some of you guys are going to come ask me, is it baking powder? It is not baking powder. Baking powder is not going to work. Yeah, so what I'm going to be needing, half of a tablespoon of baking powder is enough, and then I'll give it a good stir. This is it. I love this guys. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is avocado. Avocado contains a lot of vitamin E and lactic acids, and it helps so much to brighten up the skin. It helps to leave the skin evenly beautiful, young and healthy. So since I have my half cut of avocado, I am not going to be cutting a new one, yeah, because I am going to be using this old one. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking just a little piece of avocado, peel it up, cut it in pieces, and then I'll prefer to blend it so it can be really smooth and soft equally. Okay, so after blending it really well, this is it, and it's actually super duper thick. And then I would have to be turning that into this turmeric mix. Oh my goodness, this is one goodness you don't have to mix. You don't have to mix it for nothing. Now this is what I would put in my turmeric to give me that glow, and this is superb. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing aloe vera, and we're gonna be needing a fresh aloe vera, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to cut the sides of this aloe vera and then open it up. Now for this particular one, I'm gonna be creating it because when I blend it, it's not gonna come out well because it's actually a very small aloe vera. Yeah, so I'll be doing it in a circular motion like this. And then that is set. And guys, this is what I put in my turmeric to give me that beautiful glow, and it looks really good, and this would actually make me look beautiful. Okay guys, so for my turmeric mask, this is it, and you just wet your face just like I've already wet my face. Okay, I've already wet my face, and it's not been long I kind of massage my face. Okay, so my face is actually still red. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting this on, applying the mask. So you have to spread this evenly onto your face, yeah, and make sure it is applied everywhere. You just apply it generously onto your face, yeah. So one thing about turmeric mask is that it actually, it leaves stains on the skin, but this particular one will not stain on the skin because it is mixed with avocado. Okay, so after you actually apply this and you make sure that it is applied everywhere, then you would okay, so after that, then you would have to massage your face just in a circular motion, just so to lift up all of the dead skin cells and make your skin super duper glowing. and really beautiful. Okay, so after which you've applied it, then you can wait for a little while, at most 2 to 3 minutes, and then you go wash it off, and you are definitely good to go. Okay, so make sure you are consistent in this turmeric mask, and at least, just like I earlier said, 2 to 3 times in a day, and it's gonna help. Sorry, in a week. Yeah, it's gonna help to glow up your skin and make your skin look super duper 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 beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so let me go wash this off, and I'll be right back. Yeah, Chi. Have you not changed over? How many hours? Okay guys, so that's it. The avocado part is very interesting, and all of the ingredients are very beautiful, and it's it goes really well on my skin, and I'm sure it's gonna go so well on your skin. So why not give this a go and consistent apply it just like I've told you in the video, and you are good to go. Okay guys, so if you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye.